Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hibiscus flower for dandruff. First, you'll need to gather about 5 to 10 fresh hibiscus flowers and a few leaves. Make sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, grind these clean flowers and leaves into a smooth, fine paste, adding just a small amount of water to achieve the right consistency. Once your hibiscus paste is ready, it's time for application. Gently massage the paste directly onto your scalp, focusing on areas where dandruff is most prevalent. Make sure to cover your entire scalp and hair roots evenly. Allow the paste to work its magic by leaving it on for approximately 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes are up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the paste is removed. You can use a mild shampoo if you wish, but it's not always necessary. For the best results in combating dandruff, aim to repeat this natural treatment 2 to 3 times per week. Using hibiscus for dandruff offers several benefits. It helps soothe an itchy scalp and significantly reduces those pesky flakes. Beyond dandruff relief, hibiscus also promotes healthy hair growth and leaves your hair with a beautiful, natural shine. For an extra boost, consider adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder to your paste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.